Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm just gonna be playing around. Basically, I'm just gonna be trying to, mix this Brazilian funk and Afrobeat, and let's just see what we come up with. So, without wasting time, guys, let's go. Alright, so right now I did W now, and I've already started creating some nice drums, and I'm just gonna play what the drum sounds like. Then we go into like trying to finish up the beat, add some melodies, and when trying to fuse like two different genres, right? Is the drums. That is basically the main thing. So if you can say you want to switch like Afrobeat and trap, it's just basically trying to blend trap drum groove and Afrobeat drum groove. So in this case, I'm trying to blend like the Brazilian funk and Afrobeat. Let's just hear what this sounds like. Nice. So basically I just got this groove right from Splice, and this is what it sounds like. This is just the typical Brazilian groove. Yeah, then blended it with this shaker, and this shaker you can see it on my pack. So and that's basically like everything consolidated. It's the same thing. Then we have some snare, and that's just it for the drum groove. And if you want this one shot, they're actually in the 1 sample pack. You can get this snare from there. It's called log snare. Then we have this open hat also from the 1 pack. Then that's what the kick is playing. And yeah, for me, I think we have like a solid groove to start building the melodies. So let's go and see. The first thing I want to add is I want to add GMS, and with GMS I'm trying to go with the Diblo TE, which is a common sound you use in amapiano. Yeah, but we'll just blend that in. Yeah, so let's try to put that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna record that. Yeah, so nice. Yeah, so that's the same things I'll be repeating all through. Nice, I love this, and I think I can add some log drums. So I'm still gonna go to get some nice log preset from the 1 pack. There's some nice log drum preset, and to use those presets, all you have to do is just drag it in. And so let's try this and see. Yeah, so I like this. So with the log drums, I want to bring down the release a little bit. Yeah, nice. So we can put this all through. So we can, just not to make it repetitive all through, we could shift this over here. We can take this higher. Yeah, nice. So we can go with this. I love the way it's sounding so far. Then we have this vocal. I'm just go add some vocals. Let's see. I have this vocal on my pack, the Afro Synergy pack. So basically, it's just about getting the drums. If you can get the drums to, blend well when mixing through genres, basically, you can get the drums to mix well. Every other thing is just gonna fall in place. So this is just me playing around, man, guys, and hopefully you actually got something from this. I hope you did. If you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, also the like button, and let me know you guys' thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and you know the vibe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.